ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाक्य बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 495। पूर्व पक्षी said for the Bheda, Purva Pakshi means Bheda Bhedavadi. He says in Shastra, Agni Vispulinga Drishtanta is there, and Mrilloha Drishtantas are there. So your Yukti is there, but if Yukti and Shruti, between them, if there is Virodha, we should take Shruti. अग्नि विस्फुलिंगादि दृष्टांत श्रुतेः न दोषः इति चेत्, who is saying this? भेदा भेदवादी, that पूर्वपक्षी. सिद्धांति said न, श्रुतेः ज्ञापकत्वात्. श्रुति is ज्ञापक, and what it is going to reveal cannot be viruddha to yukti. टीका शास्त्रार्थो युक्ति विरुद्धो न सिद्ध्यति इति दूषयति. शास्त्रार्थ cannot be युक्ति विरुद्ध. शास्त्रार्थ cannot be युक्ति विरुद्ध. नए अर्थम विवृणोति. Now it is said na. What is na? न शास्त्रम पदार्थ अनन्यथा कर्तुम प्रवृत्तम. This is now प्रमाण विचार. What is the role of Shastra as pramanam? Shastram padartha ananyatha kartum na pravrittam. Sorry, padarthan anyatha kartum na pravrittam. Padarthan, that's how you should split. Shastra cannot do anyatha of padartha. Padarthan anyatha kartum na pravrittam. Anyatha kartum means if Agni, that Drishtanta will come, if Agni is Ushna, 100 Shruti Vakyas cannot make it Shita. टीका हेतु भागम आकांक्षा पूर्वकम विभजते किं तर्हि. हेतु भागम is this. What is the hetu bhaga? What was the hetu?
श्रुतेः ज्ञापकत्वं.
ज्ञापकत्वम is the hetu. श्रुतेः ज्ञापकत्वात्, ज्ञापकत्वम is the hetu. Means what is the role of ज्ञापक vastu? Shruti, which is ज्ञापक, what is its role? So that is being किं तर्हि means then what does ज्ञापक वस्तु do? यथा भूतानाम अज्ञातानाम ज्ञापने प्रवृत्तम ज्ञापकम यथा भूतानाम अज्ञातानाम ज्ञापने प्रवृत्तम प्रवृत्तम will come from the पूर्व वाक्य, right? यथा भूतानाम अज्ञातानाम, so ज्ञापक should be अज्ञात ज्ञापक, that is called प्रमाणम, अज्ञात ज्ञापकम प्रमाणम. टीका स्मृत्यादि व्यावृत्त्यर्थम अज्ञातानाम इति उक्तम. स्मृति इज ज्ञात और अज्ञात. ज्ञात, स्मृति will be there of those things whose anubhava was already there. So ज्ञातम, ज्ञातस्य स्मरणम is स्मृति. So स्मृत्यादि व्यावृत्ति is done by this वाक्य. स्मृत्यादि व्यावृत्त्यर्थम अज्ञातानाम इत्युक्तम. अस्तु शास्त्रम अज्ञातार्थ ज्ञापकम तथापि परस्य नास्ति सावयवत्वम इति अत्र किमायातम इति पृच्छति. ओके, शास्त्रम इज अज्ञातार्थ ज्ञापकम, अज्ञात अर्थस्य ज्ञापकम और अज्ञात अर्थानाम ज्ञापकम शास्त्र. तथापि परस्य नास्ति सावयवत्वम इति अत्र किम आयतम. even if shastra is अज्ञात अर्थ ज्ञापकम, why Paramatma cannot be savayava? Purva Pakshi asks. Paramatma can be savayava. What is the connection between this and that? परस्य नास्ति सावयवत्वम इति अत्र किम आयतम इति पृच्छति. किंच अतः, so what? Means let Paramatma be savayava. This is yukti viruddha. Siddhanti wants to communicate this part is yukti viruddha. How it is yukti viruddha? See. शास्त्रस्य यथोक्त स्वभावत्वे यत् परस्य निरवयवत्वं फलति तद् उच्यमानं समाहितेन श्रोतव्यम् इति आह. शास्त्रस्य यथोक्त स्वभावत्वे, शास्त्रस्य स्वभाव is यथोक्त. यथोक्त means यथोक्त means what? What uktam what? यथा भूतानाम अज्ञातानाम ज्ञापने प्रवृत्तम. This is the यथा uktam. Because this is the swabhavashan. Means you will have to, when you study, you should think in this way. If I have to teach this, how much I have understood. You may not teach. If you have this attitude that because anyway I am not going to teach, so what is there, you will not study. You will be present in session. That's all. Anything that you study, at least certain text you should feel that if I have to study, how should I prepare? That way you will study. One or two texts you may drop out. Drop out in the sense you are just present, but buddhi and these vrittis are not entering from any directions. But for all texts, if you do, that is not good then. You should actually think, if I have to say the same thing, what will I say? That is called tapaha. Here this is tap because we cannot handle much cold, much hot, any other thing. This tapas we have to do. So शास्त्रस्य यथोक्त स्वभावत्वे यत् परस्य निरवयवत्वं फलति. परस्य निरवयवत्वं, परमात्मा, परमात्मा is निरवयव. निरवयवत्वं फलति from शास्त्र. तद उच्यमानं समाहितेन श्रोतव्यम. This what is going to be said, that we are going to conclude in this that Paramatma is Niravayava. Samahitena Shrotavyam means you should listen to it with Samahita mind. भाष्यकार से श्रुणु अतो यद भवति. Listen. If भाष्यकार says listen means you better listen. यथाभूत यथाभूता मूर्ता मूर्तादि पदार्थ धर्मा लोके प्रसिद्धास् तद्दृष्टान्तोपादानेन तद्विरोधी एव वस्तुअन्तरं ज्ञापयितुं प्रवृत्तं शास्त्रं न लौकिक वस्तु विरोध ज्ञापनाय लौकिकमेव दृष्टान्तम् उपादत्ते. यथा लोके यथाभूता पदार्थाः और धर्माः in the world मूर्ता मूर्तादि पदार्थ धर्माः लोके प्रसिद्धाः. It is known something is मूर्त, something is अमूर्त. Like Akasha, Vayu are amurta, Prithvi, Jal, Teja, they are murta, prasiddha. Tat drashtanta upadanena, taking that as the drashtanta, tad avirodhi eva vastuantaram jnapayitum pravrittam shastra. Shastra, if it takes any drashtanta from the laukika jagat, loka, Shastra will never communicate anything which is विरोधी of that. तद अविरोधी एवं वस्तुअंतरम ज्ञापयितुम प्रवृत्तम शास्त्रम. शास्त्र प्रवृत्ति will be only in अविरोधी वस्तु प्रतिपादनम. न लौकिक वस्तु विरोध ज्ञापनाय लौकिकम एवं दृष्टान्तम उपादत्ते. You take लौकिक दृष्टांत and you do लौकिक वस्तु विरोध, that is not the pravritti of Shastra. Like Drishtanta is Agni. Agni Laukika is Ushna. That will be given. Tika Tatra Prathamam Loka Avirodena Shastra Pravrittim Darshayati. So first part is Shastra Pravritti will be Loka Avirodhi. Adipadena Bhava Bhavadi Grihyate. So मूर्ता मूर्त पदार्थ, भावा भाव पदार्थ, etc. अभाव पदार्थ means घटा भाव पटा भाव और वंद्यापुत्र, etc. So in Loka it is known there is no Vandhyaputra. It is known there is no Gaganarvindam. So Shastra will also go accordingly only. पदार्थेषु एवं भोक्तृ पारतंत्र्यात् धर्म शब्दस् तेषां लोक प्रसिद्ध पदार्थानां दृष्टान्तानां उपन्यासेन इति यावत्. पदार्थेषु एवं भोक्तृ पारतंत्र्यात् परतंत्रं प्रधानं यस्य सह पारतंत्र्यम और पारतंत्र्यः धर्म शब्दः. यह धर्म शब्द इति अन्य पद. पारतंत्र्य हेतु अर्थ है इसकी बात. परतंत्रम प्रधानम यस्य तत् धर्म शब्दः परतंत्र. परतंत्र प्रधान पर नॉट परतंत्र. परः तंत्रम यस्य इति. तंत्र मीन्स प्रधान. परः तंत्रम प्रधानम यस्य सः पारतंत्रः तस्य भाव पारतंत्र्यम. परतंत्रः तस्य भाव पारतंत्र्य. ओके, आई विल से दैट अगेन. परः तंत्रम प्रधानम यस्य सः परतंत्रः तस्य भावः पारतंत्र्यम. तस्मात् पारतंत्र्यात्। परः तंत्रं प्रधानं यस्य सः परतंत्रः। पदार्थेषु एव भोक्तृ पारतंत्र्यात् धर्म शब्दः तेषां लोक प्रसिद्ध पदार्थानां दृष्टान्तानां उपन्यासेन इति यावत्। So लोक प्रसिद्ध पदार्थs they are taken as दृष्टान्त। लोक प्रसिद्ध पदार्थानां दृष्टान्तानां उपन्यासेन, उपन्यास means they are taken as, they are presented as दृष्टान्त। पदार्थानां दृष्टान्तानां उपन्यासम्। तद अविरोधी लोक प्रसिद्ध पदार्थ अविरोधी इत्यर्थः। In Bhashya, Bhagavan Bhashyakar said tad avirodhi eva, so that tad avirodhi part is explained. लोक प्रसिद्ध पदार्थ अविरोधी इत्यर्थ। वस्तुअंतरम निरवयवादी दार्ष्टान्तिकम। परमात्मा is निरवयव, not सावयव, this is दार्ष्टान्तिकम। फर्दर इन टीका, तद अविरोधी एव इति एवकारस्य व्यावर्त्यम आह। तद अविरोधी एव, why एव it is said? न लौकिक वस्तु विरोध ज्ञापनाय लौकिकमेव दृष्टान्तम उपादते। To show लौकिक वस्तु विरोध, लौकिक दृष्टांत will not be taken. विपक्षे दोषम आह। Otherwise what will happen? That is called vipaksha. Otherwise the situation would be upadiyamano api drashtanto anarthakah syat. Upadiyamana drashtanto, even let's say laukika vastu says something, you take that and in shastra some virodhi idea is presented, then the laukika vastu, that drishtanta will be vyartham. It will not, because you go on saying, because the fire is cold, therefore you do this, because it is cold, you will do this. Who will listen? When it is said Jagat is mithya, those who don't understand the word mithya, they will not listen. They think, how can this be mithya? So they think, because I can do indriya vyavahara, therefore it is satya. We don't define satyam or mithya in this way. We say satya means trikala abadhyatvam satyam. So it is badhya, therefore we say it is mithya. Even that people have, people means even sadhakas, they have a hard time understanding and accepting. Once Mandukya discourses were going on and somebody said, oh, I have listened to so many pravachans, so many this, so many years. And that Vaitatya Prakarana and Advaita Prakarana, one after the other, hammering Jagat is mithya, Jagat is mithya, Jagat is mithya. Almost they are in tears. Because they have not understood what is mithya. You may have heard so many other pravachans. This pratipadanam, if you have not heard, you will have difficulty. That's why many people don't take Mandukya seriously, because then you have problem. If you understand something, then you have to worry. If you don't understand, you don't have to worry. Like there was a joke that somebody was attending some, he was not attending any this Sunday Bible church sessions. So some pastor said, no, you should come. So anyway, finally he went. And he went, and after the sermon was over, he was disturbed a little bit. So then the pastor said, "Don't worry, after some time you will understand what is going on." He said, "No, I am not worried about what I am not understanding. I am worried about what I am understanding, what I should not do, and that's what you are saying, and I am doing that only in my life." So when you understand, then you have to worry. Hmm. Hmm. Pratipatti, apratipatti, vipratipatti, and na pratipatti, something like anyatha pratipatti. So some vikalpas, that is what happens. Somebody understands, somebody doesn't understand anything, somebody understands something viparita, and somebody doesn't understand. उपादीयमानो अपि दृष्टान्तो अनर्थकः स्यात् दाष्टान्तिक असंगतेः सामान्येन उक्तम अर्थम दृष्टांत विशेष निविष्टतया स्पष्टयति. In general, Siddhanta is explained. Now he gives specific example. Nahi agnihi शीतः आदित्यो न तपति इति वा दृष्टांत शतेनापि प्रतिपादयितुं शक्यम्. Agnihi शीतः, you give 100 examples, what will happen? Nobody will understand or accept. Similarly, आदित्यो न तपति प्रतिपादयितुं न शक्यम्. अग्नेर उष्णत्वम आदित्यस्य तापकत्वम अन्यथा इति उच्यते. सो अग्ने है उष्णत्वम and आदित्यस्य तापकत्वम, they are, if it is said the other way, if you say differently, nobody will listen. प्रमाणांतरेण अन्यथा अधिगतत्वात् वस्तुना. Why? Because what is the shloka? विरोधे no विरोधे गुणवादः. This is pramanantar virodha. When there is pramanantarena anyatha adhigata vastu, pratyaksha pramana says it is ushnaha and agni shitaha or aditya yupaha. You take aditya yupa is pramanantarena viruddha, so then it will become what kind of अर्थवादः त्रिधामतः. Three types of विरोधे
गुणवादः स्यादनुवादो वधारिते भूतार्थवादस्तद्धानात् अर्थवादस्तद्धानसः.
अर्थवादस्त्रिधामतः. So anyatha, if a pramana shows something, you will not be able to use even through Shruti. So what is the tatparya of this discussion? If Shruti, you should not miss the main thread. If you accept Paramatma as Savayava, and Yukti says if it is Savayava, it is Anitya, then even if Shruti says somewhere, like Agni Vispulinga, Mrulloha, that Paramatma is Savayava, we will say that is only Arthavada Vakya. It is not Mukhya Tatparya. So when you do Shadvidlinga Tatparya Nirnaya, such Vakyas will not be taken. This is how we should know that in Tatparya Nirnaya, such Vakyas cannot be taken. If you take all Vakyas, then what Tatparya Nirnaya will not be Nirnaya, because it will be mix of everything. ननु लौकिकं प्रमाणं लौकिक पदार्था विरुद्धम एव स्वार्थम समर्पयति. वैदिकं पुनः अपौरुषेयं तद विरुद्धम अपि स्वार्थम प्रमापयेत् अलौकिक विषयत्वात् अत आह. पूर्व पक्षी से लौकिकम प्रमाणम लौकिक पदार्थ अविरुद्धम एवं स्वार्थम समर्पयति. लौकिक प्रमाण will show something which is लौकिक अविरुद्ध. वैदिकम पुनः अपौरुषेयम. वैदिक प्रमाण is अपौरुषेय प्रमाण. तद विरुद्धम अपि स्वार्थम प्रमापयेत् अलौकिक विषयत्वात्. This is their main thing in Vishishtadvaita and all. Paramatma is alaukika. Paramatma Sharira is alaukika. Paramatma's Vaikuntha Kailasha is all alaukika. Their abhushanas alaukika. Therefore, what is laukika virodha, it doesn't apply to alaukika. It is different rules. न च प्रमाणम सिद्धांति से न च प्रमाणम प्रमाणांतरेण विरुध्यते. This is beautiful line. One pramanam cannot have virodha with another pramanam. If that's why I said this is all pramana which are talked. If one pramana has virodha with another pramana, what does that mean? Of the two, only one is pramana, not both. For example, if there is a flower, Chakshur Indriya says it is flower, and Sparsha, if I say it is flower, but Chakshur Indriya says it is real flower, and Sparsha shows it is plastic. Then there is virodha. So then I say either it is only one of them, either it is real or plastic. So then sparsha will be, what do they call it? Prabala Praman. Sparsha will eliminate the rupa from Chakshusha. प्रमाणम प्रमाणांतरेण न विरुध्यते. टीका भाष्य प्रमाणांतर अविषयमेव हि प्रमाणांतरम ज्ञापयति. प्रमाणांतर अविषयम. प्रमाणांतर अविषयम एव हि प्रमाणांतरम ज्ञापयति. What is not vishaya of one pramana, that alone will be communicated by another pramana. So sparsha, its vishaya is the Tvagindriya's vishaya is sparsha. Chakshurindriya's vishaya is rupa. Tvagindriya will reveal that which is not revealed by Chakshurindriya, because it is not vishaya of another pramana. In Kathopanishad mantra, Naisha Tarkena Matirapaneya. This mantra is there. Shruti and Tarka. So there what is being said? Tarkena Samatihi na apaneya. Then in Bhashya, Bhagavan Bhashyakar says, na hatavya, na apaneya, na hatavya. Neither Tarka can prove Shruti, nor Tarka can disprove Shruti, because they have Viruddha Vishaya. Tvagindriya's Vishaya is Sparsha. Chakshurindriya's Vishaya is Rupa. They don't have Saman Vishaya. They can't do Virodha directly of each other. In other words, if Chakshurindriya says Pratyaksha, it is Pushpa, up to that, Chakshurindriya, it is Pushpam. Tvagindriya can also say it is Pushpam. But when Tvagindriya says it is real, then Chakshurindriya will not be able to negate that part, because that is Prabala Pramana. So in the same way, Jagat Satyatva Mithyatva also you will have to do this vichar. When Shruti is there, then it will give you Prabala Jnana. ननु श्रुतेः अज्ञात ज्ञापकत्वे लोक अनपेक्षत्वात् तद विरोधे अपि का हानिः तत्राह. श्रुति is अज्ञात ज्ञापक, लोक अनपेक्षत्वात्. What is not known through loka pramana, laukika pramana, anapekshatvat. Even if there is virodha, tad virodhe api ka hanihi tatraha. Nacha laukika pada padartha ashrayana vyatirekena, not ashrayana avyatirekena, ashrayana vyatirekena. That dirgha you have to remove. नच लौकिक पद पदार्थ आश्रयण व्यतिरेकेण आगमेन शक्यम अज्ञातम वस्तुअंतरम अवगमयितुम. सेकंड लाइन इन भाष्य. लौकिक पद पदार्थ आश्रयण व्यतिरेकेण without using the laukika pada and laukika padarthas ashraya. Other than that, how agama is going to communicate anything? Agamena ajnatam vastuantaram avagamayitum, then na shakyam. Understood? Means, if let us say, Veda says, Agnaye Swaha, where is the Agni Shabda meaning coming from? Laukika. Datna Juhoti, Payasa Juhoti. So, Dadhi Shabda is already known in Laukika parlance. You use that word in Veda. Payasa, Paya, you already know milk. That word you are using in Veda. That is what it is. Laukika pada padartha ashrayana vyatirekena, without using laukika pada padartha ashraya, agama cannot communicate anything without taking this support. Vastuantaram avagamayitum na shakyam. Sitika. लोकावगत सामर्थ्य शब्दो वेदेपि बोधक इति न्यायात्. दिस इज देयर गिवन इन ब्रह्म सिद्धि. लोकावगत सामर्थ्य शब्दो वेदेपि बोधक. लोक अवगत सामर्थ्य is taken and that shabda is bodhaka in Veda. इति न्यायात् तद अनपेक्षा श्रुति ही न अज्ञातम ज्ञापयितुम अलम इत्यर्थः. Without its apeksha, Shruti cannot do Ajnata Jnapanam. Alam means Samartham. Shastrasya Lokanusaritve Siddhe Phalitam Ah. Like when we study, they say Sthula Sharira is Annamaya. So now Anna Shabda is already known to you. Then only we understand what is Annamaya. तस्मात् प्रसिद्ध न्यायम अनुसरता न शक्या परमात्मनः सावयवांशांशित्व कल्पना परमार्थतः प्रतिपादयितुम्. Therefore, following the prasiddha nyayam anusarata, tvaya, you should say. Prasiddha nyayam anusarata tvaya परमात्मनः सावयव अंशांशित्व कल्पना परमार्थतः प्रतिपादयितुं न शक्या. अनुसरता इस तृतीया एकवचनम. or because anusaratri, trich pratyanta rupa will be there. No, anusarat will be the pratipadika. Anusarata will be tritiya. By you, this Paramatma is Amshamshi, Savayava, this Kalpana, you cannot say is Paramarthata. Tika. प्रसिद्धो न्यायो लौकिको दृष्टांत नहि नित्यस्य आकाशादेः सावयवत्वं परश्च नित्यो अभ्युपगतस् तन्न तस्य सावयवत्वेन अंशांशित्व कल्पना वस्तुतः संभवति लोक विरोधात् इत्यर्थः नित्यस्य आकाशादेः आकाशादि विचार नित्य सावयवत्वं Akasha, if it is Nitya, it cannot be Savayava. If it is Savayava, it cannot be Nitya. Savayavatvam Parascha Nityo. Paramatma is also Nitya. Abhyugata. Abhyugata Svikrita. Tanna Tasya Savayavatvena Amshamshitva Kalpana Vastutaha Sambhavati. Therefore, in Paramatma, Savayavatvena Amshamshitva Kalpana is not possible. Loka Virodha. जीवस्य परांशत्व अनंगीकारे श्रुति स्मृत्योर गति वक्तव्या इति शंकते. If you say Paramatma is not Amshamshi, not Savayava, and Jiva is, what is this? What is this Vakya? Jivasya Paranshatva Anangikare means
Amsa Paramatma.
what is the meaning of this much Vakya?
Jiva is not
Amsha. You are accepting Jiva is Amsa.
Jiva is not Amsha of Paramatma. Jivasya Paranshatva Anangikare. We have not accepted that Jiva is Amsha of Paramatma. This is the conclusion so far. Shruti Smrutyo Gati. So then what is the position of those Shrutis and Smrutis which say Shudra Vispulingaha Mamaivansho Jiva Loke Iti cha Shruyate Smaryate cha. How will we explain those? Tayor Gatim Aha. We will explain you how to. So that's why having Vyakarana Jnanam, you will not be able to do this Mimamsa. Vyakarana Jnanam will help you to know the Shabda. This kind of Mimamsa will help you to understand that even though the Vakya says Mamai Vangsho Jiva Loke, but Jiva is not Amsha of Paramatma. Amsha Iva Amsha. In Svashya you should see that. Everywhere. So, and this is done in Mandukya. This kind of thinking is done in Mandukya. So when you say you are talking about creation and then Mandukya Pratipadanam is Ajatavada. How? Say, I will tell you. Ekatva Pratyartha Paratvat. All of them, they should have Ekatva Pratyaya. Their Paratva is only in Ekatva. Means they all should work together to communicate one message. It's beautiful, if you see any big symphony where there are 200 plus instrument players and there is one conductor, they call him conductor. Everybody, they have Ekavakyata. They all will communicate. Like that, we have so many Shruti Vakyas. One message should come out, not different. So two people are there, and between them also, if Ekavakyata is not there, imagine. That's why in Mumbai they say, एक में शांति, दो में भ्रांति, तीन में क्रांति। 1 शांति, 2 भ्रांति, 3 क्रांति only, some. अग्नेः विस्फुलिंगो अग्निः एव इति एकत्व प्रत्यार हो दृष्टो लोक. So when it is said Agni Visfulinga means you should understand it is Agni only, not some amsha of Agni. Visfulinge darshitam nyayam sarvatramsha matre atidishati. Everywhere where amsha is put, this is the nyaya. Tatha cha amshomshi amshomshina ekatva pratyayarha. अंशः अंशिना एकत्व प्रत्ययार्हः अर्हः योग्यः. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः.